So let's take a walk to the top of the garden and see just what came back early this morning. Oh yes, here they are. The Chateau beehives. In collaboration with my friend Arnu, we keep the bees here in the summer, and then we can make our own Chateau honey. Perfect for gifts to friends and family when they come. And also up this end of the garden, we have some other visitors, which I'm not so keen on. The moles, who are always here when it rains and the ground gets soft. But at least it gives me plenty of topsoil for my flower beds and other places.